Hello everyone, today I'll discuss exercise 13.1 question number 5. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm as shown in the diagram. What is the actual length of the bacteria? If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be its enlarged length? Here you see we have made a table with the given information. You see, length of bacteria in centimeter is 5 when number of times photograph of bacteria was enlarged, that is 50,000. The length of bacteria in centimeter is x, number of times photograph of bacteria is enlarged, that is 1. Length of bacteria in centimeter is y when number of times photograph of bacteria was enlarged, that is 20,000 times. Right? We give the information in this table. Now we'll find that the number of times the photograph of bacteria was enlarged and the length of bacteria are in direct proportion. Here you see the length of bacteria, the length, the length, the length of bacteria, the length of bacteria, the length of bacteria, and the number of times and the number of times, photograph of bacteria was enlarged, photograph of bacteria, photograph of bacteria was enlarged are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion, direct proportion. Right? Therefore, we can write 5 by 50,000, 5 by 50,000 is equal to x by 1 is equal to x by 1, x by 1. Therefore, the value of x is equal to, the value of x is equal to 50,000 by 5. The value of x is equal to 5 by 50,000, 5 by 50,000 by 50,000. If we cut it by 1, 5 1 5, 5 1 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Or you can write here 1 by 10,000, that is equal to 1 by 10,000, 1 by 10,000. That can be written as 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4. So we got the value of 10 to the power minus 4. Value of x is equal to 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4. That is in centimeter, right? The actual length of bacteria is therefore actual length of bacteria, therefore actual length of bacteria, actual length of bacteria is 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. That is answer. The second question is, if the photograph was enlarged 20,000 times, what would be the enlarged length? If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times, what would be this enlarged length? Let us find. Then the bacteria will find, right? Since they are in direct proportion, you can write here as 5 by 50,000. 5 by 50,000 is equal to y by 20,000 is equal to y by 20,000. Therefore, the value of y can be written as is equal to 5 into 20,000. 5 into 20,000 divided by 50,000 divided by 50,000. Right? Therefore, this 0 cut, this 0 will cut, this 0 will also cut, this 0 will also cut. So 5 into 5, 5 into 5. Therefore, we are getting the value y as 2. Right? 2 in centimeter. Therefore, we can find the enlarged length of the bacteria is 2 centimeter. Hence, the enlarged length, the length of bacteria, the enlarged length of bacteria. Hence, the enlarged length, hence the enlarged length of bacteria, enlarged length of bacteria is 2 centimeter. That is the answer. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 2 centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.